Hello everybody. Since this has been a very highly requested video, I guess we're going to go over the talent portion and the hero portion of the part in Clash of Empires. So, there's a couple different bits that improve your stats. First things first, we want to make sure your heroes are properly appointed. Each hero you have has its own stats. When it comes to generalizing these stats, you can always look at the appoint tab and see how everything looks. But one thing that is very common for people to mess up is the talents. And therefore the talents in each of these is something you want to look at. So when you bring up your talent screen, you have 2 tabs or 3 if you got the combo piece. So usually what I do is I will take the second one and I'll make it into a development based one where I can train a bunch of troops, do healing if need be. Training speed and training capacity is huge for this setup. And that way I can train I think 2,000 troops each time. So yeah, I can train a total of 1420 each time. But this is with one of the talents activated is on combo 1. This is without the development. So if I switch to this one, and I go ahead and I speed all this up. Nope, gotta get some iron. There we go. So if you look at this one now, I can train 1920 just from talents. So whenever you're trying to set yourself up for general, for training and healing up, you want to go into the developmental tree. I went a little bit in economy just because this is my all-around tree. That's what I use for the most time. Now, I have 2 different attacking base sets. So if you look at these sets, each one will have a different focus. This one in particular on the far right in my combo 3 is a defense set. So as you see, I only have defensive stuff really selected. Archer defense, and I go the whole way down only selecting defense. Because defense and attack do 2 different things. So going through this, I have a lot of health in here. I focused a lot on getting to everywhere where I can choose nothing but defense. And each of these percentages add up a lot over time. So I have like my revive, and I'm all the way down here. Now, my attacking skill set is the exact opposite. So you look up here, I went attack, and then I hit everything up until attack on this one. You only need to complete 1 in each row to unlock the next thing. So you can go down here, infantry health, you do infantry attack, and ignore the defense, and then over time you just buff up your health and your attack, ignore the defense and your talents, and it lets you go farther into the attacking trees and all that sort of thing, which will make you a lot stronger in general. Obviously, gear does the same thing, but if you look at your setups, you can see the stat line without right here. Give you an idea of the big difference it makes. And then if I switch to the attacking tree, makes these numbers go up by about quite a bit, I'll be honest with you. So all these numbers go higher and higher based on each one that you do. And that's how you build your stats, using these little tidbits. So I will catch you guys in the next one. If you need anything or have any questions, ask me in the game. And have a good one.